Hey, this is hands-on review on Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And if you see the size of S9, it's 5.8 and S9 Plus is 6.2, and you can see the pretty difference in the size. And if you see the special features in both the phones, we have the iris scanner and fingerprint sensor, and S9 comes with RAM 4 GB and S9 Plus has 6 GB, and they have the OS Android Oreo 8.0 and AMOLED display, and it has the camera 12 MP. When you see the camera features, you can see the f1.2 in Samsung Galaxy S9 and f2.4 in Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And if you come to the performance, both phones have the same configuration with the Dolby Atmos and and both comes with water resistant and dust resistant, and they have wireless charger. And S9 comes with a battery of 3000 and S9 Plus has 3500, and you got a dual camera in S9 Plus, and that's pretty good features in S9. And both the phones S9 and S9 Plus comes with the voice assistant Bixby. And here you go. In S9 Plus, it comes with 4 types of colors: lilac purple, midnight black, and titanium gray, and coral blue. And it have I told you the S9 Plus comes with the dual camera, and S9 with the rear camera. And if you go to the camera features, you can get the front camera as 8 MP and the rear camera as 12 MP with super slow motion. And if you see the dimension, and Android S9 comes with Galaxy S9 comes with 5.8 and S9 Plus with 6.2. And you can see that it got aperture f1.7 and selfie focus and selfie and wide selfie. And the S9 Plus has this dual camera feature, which is pretty good. And it has IPv6 V8 water resistant capacity, and battery, I told you battery is little efficient in S9 Plus. And if you go to sensor, it has 10 plus sensors. And S9 in the box, you got the USB cable, everything is within the box. I hope you like it.